3,700 original miles. It's like brand new.
What's happening, fellas? Hey, my media guy just printed this off today, and much to my dismay, 83% of the people watching the channel are not subscribed, only 16.7. And we also got over a dozen emails from subscribers saying they were magically unsubscribed from the channel. So we're not sure how that's happening, but do me a favor, just check and see if you are subscribed. It's a button right down there. Just hit the subscribe button. It's very easy to do. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hit the button. Maybe you hit it inadvertently with your finger and unsubscribe, but it helps us grow the channel. I promise to you, you guys subscribe, I'll keep giving you the best free content on classic motorcycles I can possibly come up with. I spent the last 15 years of my life doing this 364 and a half days a year. And that's all I ask. It's free, and it would help us grow the channel. So we got a deal. You guys subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out the great content for you. Thanks for watching. God bless America. Guys, take a close look at this 1981 Kawasaki CB650. It's absolutely pristine, mint, one owner condition with 3,717 miles. It's just been gone through top to bottom here at Kaplan Cycles. Been completely given a full resurrection, both cosmetic and mechanically, gone through top to bottom. But look, all the cycle parts on this bike are original. It's all original paint, all original chrome, all original aluminum, original seat cover. The original chrome wheels still shine beautifully, as do the chrome fenders. This 4-cylinder, 4-carb, 4-into-2 exhaust is all original, including the airbox. In fact, when Mr. Turbo, who's our resident Honda 4-cylinder expert, he has done more of these 4-cylinder Hondas than anybody I know, including all the way back to the 69 Sandcast that he's restored for us. He went through this bike. He pulled the airbox off, had the original air filter, and he said it looked brand new. All the original cycle parts and components were in mint shape. And he went through it and gave it a full mechanical going through. A total of, I have several pages right here. The service department, he put in 34 hours, and the detail shop put in 35. I'll go over everything that was done now. He filled, charged, and installed the new Yuasa battery in a tender lead so you can keep it plugged in. So it's got a brand new battery. Removed the airbox, inspected the air filter. It was original and like new. Pulled the airbox back and removed the complete carb rack. Cleaned the carbs, dismantled and cleaned the carbs. He actually micro-drilled the pilot jets and makes it run great without the choke. A lot of these came jetted really lean. Replaced the intake manifold, boots, reinstalled the carb rack, lubed the throttle and clutch cables, got the bike running and synchronized the carb rack perfectly. So it runs absolutely spectacular. He drained the oil, replaced the oil filter, and filled it with a Spectro 10 W40. He also rebuilt the brake system, the front brake caliper, rebuilt the front brake master cylinder, bled it with DOT 5.1, replaced the front brake lever, and replaced the front clutch lever. Both levers are new. He also replaced the headlight and removed the front forks, rebuilt the front forks with new seals and new fork oil, and put 10 PSI air in the air forks. We also replaced the spark plugs with 4 new DR7ES, installed new fuel lines and new fuel filter. And here's the parts list that he used. New air filter, new fork dust seal, new fork seal, new gauge covers, new headlight, new brake and clutch lever, new intake manifold boots, 4 brand new turn signals that he got for it. Actually, not brand new. They were from our stock, so they were takeoffs from another one. New spark plugs, new carb bowl gasket set, new fork seal set, new brake caliper seal, and new Spectro 1040 oil and a new oil filter. So the total for parts was $429, and it was 34 hours of shop labor. John Lee and Carlos then took the bike and went through it top to bottom. Steam cleaned it, hand washed it, degreased it. They polished the engine covers. You see the left side engine cover there? That's beautifully polished. They polished the shocks, polished the exhaust, repainted the foot peg mounts, polished and cleaned the rear rim, cleaned and polished the rear wheel hub, cleaned up and painted the underside of the rear fender. If you check the underside of the rear fender, you'll see how beautifully restored that is. Cleaned and polished the chain guard, polished the exhaust on the bottom, where the parts that you can't see, and the polished all the chrome on the rear. They touched up the paint on the swing arm. They completely restored and repainted the center stand, repainted the brake arm, polished the forks, lowers. If you take a look at the fork lowers, those original where the clear coating had faded, so they removed the clear coat and pro polished the lower forks. They polished the front rim, cleaned and detailed the spokes, cleaned up the front tire, painted the did some painting on the engine block itself. That's a silver painted on the block where it peeled. They repainted the front brake caliper, polished the shifter, vapor honed and repainted the front fender, the underside of the front fender. The fender was removed and restored. That's original chrome, but the underside was redone. Polished all the chrome on it, and then put the bike completely back together because they had pretty much dismantled it to do all the detailing and cleaning. Touched up the paint a little bit, buffed the tank, and then gave it a final detail. It was 35 hours labor with 2 guys, 17 and a half hours with 2 guys on it. So a total of 69 hours of labor at $150 an hour is $10,350 plus the parts. It was $10,829 to do a full cosmetic and mechanic preservation and restoration surface on it. If you look at the bike, the side profile from over here, it has a really cool classic vintage look. Like the original 69 750 was very similar to this one. This was the end of the era of the steel tank air-cooled bikes. After this, they were all liquid-cooled, and they kind of lost this this beautiful classic look that you get here with the slightly stepped seat, the chrome fenders, the chrome wheels, the polished aluminum engine covers. It's just an authentic classic Honda. This bike's 45 years old. In 5 years, it'll be 50 years old. It's in spectacular mint original condition with just 3,000 miles on it. It's not perfect. The head does have some beauty marks on it. It is 45 years old. There's a couple of little scratch right here on it that wouldn't buff out. What else is there? Oh, there's a ding in the tank, which you probably haven't seen it yet, but there's a small ding in the tank right here I wanted to point out. So a good dent magician absolutely could pop that out. We had one, but he retired and we haven't replaced him yet. But bike shows beautifully. It runs like brand new, looks like brand new, and it's as close to a new 45-year-old bike as you're going to get with original factory paint on it, all original cycle parts, and we've given our best effort to bring it as close to perfect as humanly possible with the skills in the team we have here. So if you have any questions on it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We can ship this right to your home, licensed, insured, and closed. It's a super smooth running bike. It shifts beautifully. The clutch works perfect. It pulls hard. It's a beautiful 2-rider bike. You can take it down the highway 75 miles an hour all day long with the passenger on the back. The fuel efficient. It's a little lighter and smaller than the 750, a little lower to the ground, a little more maneuverable. Just a good all-around bike, and there's very few of these. I guarantee you there won't be another one for sale in the continental United States today, 45 years later, there won't be another 45-year-old CB650 for sale on Bring a Trailer, on anywhere. You're not going to find another one with this low miles, this nicely tuned. I can promise you that, and detailed to the nines. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.